Hi guys, this video is regarding model test papers released by ICA. I hope every one of you are aware of model test papers, right? What model test papers? Not mock test papers, model test papers which recently the ICA has released. Regarding CA final audit and CA inter audit, we have done a complete analysis of model test papers. For your information, as you have seen on the thumbnail, CA inter 8 model test papers were released. Like I'll show you right now. You just see, this is for CA inter. Be here, final students also listen. For both of you it is same. For example, you see CA inter. Model test papers were released. 8 papers for every subject. Same way, for CA final also, they have released model test papers. You know, the surprising part, if I tell you, you'll be very happy. You know, I'll tell you, wait. So, where is it? Model test papers. You go to CA final. You go to group 1 because I deal with group 1 audit, right? So that's why. So for group 1 they have released six papers. Now when our team has done a complete analysis, actually I'm very sure even before we do this analysis I have told our team members also, like mostly it will be repeated questions from past exams, all that. You know what our team has analyzed? This is CA final analysis. You see 6 model test papers we did, right? You see 6 model test paper 1. For example, in CA final we have some 19 chapters. In our question bank, recently we released a color question bank. CA inter we have released, CA final we received. All these model test paper questions were covered with the page numbers, with the question number. We have given clearly what exactly the standard is dealing with that. You see model test papers 2, MTP2 of CA in final, this is. You see 4, 5, 6, everything is fully covered. Only in MTP3, some new questions were added, which are not there in our question bank, like those of the students. For example, say like what is that question bank you're talking about? Can I know? I already made a video on CA into CA final question bank, but for your information I will once again show you the question bank. I'll show you once again. For example, this is our CA into question bank. Just a minute. This is our CA into question bank. Okay, so you can see this question bank. We have given approximately 600 questions in the question bank, which is from ICA illustrations, test your knowledge, RTP, MTP. Same way, we even give question bank on CA final also. Just a minute, I'll just open and show you. I think in this there's a saved file. Yes, it is there. It is there. So this is CA inter question bank. No, this is CA inter question bank. So we have even done this kind of entire proper question bank. You know, each chapter you will find a breakup. Similarly, you will find in CA final also. You know, go to our website. You just open our free resources. You select CA final here. You can download the question bank, your PDF. Alternatively, you can also place an order for full set. GOAT notes and question bank put together, you can place an order, or if you can place order only for the color notes. Same way, CA inter students also, you go to books, go to EVA Fastrack. Okay, so books, Fastrack books. Okay, so for Fastrack purpose only right now we are using this. For our regular class we will use the same books and upload our regular class in June month. Okay, for September or January exams. So here also you can find, you see, question bank. That's what I'm showing you here. So in our question banks, like many students are like little tensed, sir, model test papers 8 were there in CA inter, 6 were there. When should we do all this, sir? Time, nothing to do. You don't have to do. If you already follow some other established question bank of any other faculty, that's more than enough. 99% I can tell you guys, 90, okay, 99, let's not be too optimistic. 90% is covered. 90% of the questions asked. For example, CA final audit, you see all the 6 MTPs almost covered in our question bank. Okay, only in the mock test paper 3 this alone is pending. Even we will release this particular PDF, like mock test, you know, this particular whatever I'm showing Excel sheet, right? This related PDF I will release it to you. You can correlate with the question bank, so you don't have to touch model test paper. CA final students, CA inter 8 papers were there. Our team has already started working on it. Maximum some 3-4 days or maybe 5-6 days. I will come up with a similar video for CA inter. Mark my word, same result you are going to see for CA inter audit also. No differences at all. Okay, MTPs, whatever 8 or 10, 12, whatever, where they will bring questions, that many they can't. So it will be obviously past exam questions or MTPs, RTPs, whatever. And even coming to CA final, many new questions were added in ICA study material, test your knowledge. They were nothing but your past MTP, RTP questions. That's it. Okay, don't worry about this model test papers. Prepare well, ready for mock test paper. Mock test paper is really good because it won't have any much repeated questions. They newly created questions for mock test paper. Get ready for mock test paper of ICI. That's it. All the very best.